Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Python on your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Google Chrome, and after going to the Google Chrome, we have to write the Python download. So I'm going to write this. As you can see, you can write the Python download or Python download for Windows. It's up to you, whatever you are writing. I'm going to write the download Python. And after that, as you can see, I'm going to open this in a new link. And after opening this, as you can see, now simply we have opened the official site of the Python. If you want to check out the details, you can also do that. Like the documentation, community success, and everything is provided here. Now simply download the latest version for Windows. So if you want to download this one, we just have to click on this. And as you can see, the downloading process will be started. It's a 27 MB long and it will be downloaded in few seconds. It's up to your internet speed. And after the completion of downloading process, now you are free to use this. So in this way you can download the Python on your PC. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.